Hello, how are you all? My name is H.S. Ravindra Kumar. Now I will be teaching you Congruency of Triangles, Chapter 7 in your textbook. Let us understand the word congruency. Let us consider some of the examples in our daily life. For examples, we shall take coins, what you have seen already in your daily life. Take a pair of coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Now place 1 rupee coin with another 1 rupee coin, one above the other. Similarly, 2 rupee coin placed on one above the other, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. You will see that they exactly fit one another. They are same to same, meaning they are same in size, they are same in shape, they are same in measure. Then we say these two pair of coins are congruent to each other, same by appearance also, measure also. Similarly, you can take some more examples in your daily life. You have come across playing indoor games like carom. Two carom pawns, when you impose or superimpose one above the other, they fit or coincide exactly. Similarly, you have eaten a pack of biscuits. They will be same in size, same in measure. Similarly, two molded objects and so on. But these are all three-dimensional objects, what you see in your daily life. Meaning of dimension means 3 dimension refers to the length of the object, the breadth of the object, the width of the object. So it is called 3-dimensional objects. But now we shall consider 2-dimensional, that is only measuring the length and breadth what you can draw on your book. For example, we shall consider a pair of line segments. I will put out some of the figures. Line segment AB, line segment XY, line segment LM, line segment PQ, line segment CD, line segment EF. Now let us see the measures of these line segments. AB and XY measures 5 cm each. Similarly, LM and PQ measures 8 centimeters each, whereas CD and EF measures 3 centimeters and 6 centimeters. They are not same in measure, but the other line segments, AB is same to XY, LM is same to PQ, meaning AB is congruent to XY, LM is congruent to PQ, but CD is not congruent to EF because CD measures 3 centimeters, EF measures 6 centimeters. So they are not congruent to each other. So this is with respect to line segments. Symbolically it is written as line segment AB is congruent to line segment XY. Line segment LM is congruent to line segment PQ. Whereas line segment CD is not congruent to line segment EF, because they are of different measures. Now we shall take pair of angles. I have given below some of the measures of different angles. For example, angle BAC is 50 degree, angle PQR is 50 degree, angle XYZ is 40 degrees, angle LMN is 40 degrees, angle DEF is 70 degrees, angle GHI is 30 degrees. Now let us consider these two pairs. Angle ABC and angle PQR measures 50 degrees each. Similarly, in the second pair, 40 degrees each. Whereas in the third pair of example, one is measuring 70 degrees, the other is measuring 30 degrees. They are not same. So these two angles are not congruent angles, whereas the two pairs, as I mentioned, angle BAC is congruent to angle PQR because it is measuring 50 degrees each. Similarly, angle XYZ is congruent to angle LMN because both are measuring angle 40 degrees each, whereas angle DEF is not congruent to angle GHI. So we can conclude that a pair of angles, if they measure same, then the angles are said to be congruent to each other. Now we shall come across triangles. You already know the meaning of triangle. You know that in a given triangle you can measure 6 parts. What are they meaning? You can measure 3 sides of a triangle and you can measure 3 angles of a triangle. So totally it comes to 6 measures in a given triangle. Now let us consider 2 triangles. For example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Before considering these triangles, let us make a paper cutout of these 2 triangles where such that when you place one above the other, if the triangle DEF is placed on the triangle ABC, they coincide each other in size and measure. The triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the letter A corresponds to letter D, the letter B corresponds to letter E, the letter C corresponds to letter F. Meaning in geometry, the vertex A is coinciding on the vertex D. Similarly, vertex B is coinciding on vertex E. Similarly, vertex C is coinciding on vertex F. This is called one-to-one correspondence. Vertex A is congruent to vertex D, vertex B is congruent to vertex E, vertex C is congruent to vertex F. Similarly, let us take the line segments, in other words, the sides of the 2 triangles. One-to-one correspondence. Side AB is congruent to side DE. Side BC is congruent to side EF. And side AC is congruent to side DF. First we concluded related to the vertices, one-to-one correspondence. Similarly, we came across one-to-one correspondence with respect to the sides. Now we shall come across one-to-one correspondence with respect to the angles. Now let us say angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF. Similarly, angle BAC is congruent to angle EDF. Similarly, angle ACB is congruent to angle DFV. So that we can now conclude when the vertices are congruent to each other compared to these 2 triangles, when the sides are congruent to one another correspondingly, when the angles are same or congruent to one another correspondingly, then we conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. I think so you people have understood. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. Thank you very much for listening to my lesson.